So there's a famous mathematician by the name of Pythagoras. If I asked you to list some of the most famous Greek mathematicians, you'll probably list Pythagoras. So Pythagoras, we talk about Pythagoras' theorem, even though some of those ideas, some of the ideas we give a person credit for might have come long before that person. But let's just go with the name Pythagoras' theorem. That's what kids know. Pythagoras' theorem says that a squared is plus b squared is equal to c squared in a right triangle. Basically, the legs of a triangle squared would equal the hypotenuse squared. So if you have a triangle that has side lengths 3 and 4, then what is the length of the third side? The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle across from the angle 90 degrees. And so basically, in this case, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. So if this is 3, one of the lengths, and then this is 4, then the length of the third one would just be found by finding 3 squared plus 4 squared. We would find that 25 is equal to c squared, so that means c would be the square root of 25. c is equal to 5. So the first one, the answer is 5. In the second case, 6 squared plus 8 squared is equal to c squared. Again, what is 6 squared? 36. What is 8 squared? 64 is equal to c squared. 100 is equal to c squared, so then c would be equal to 10 because we have to take the square root of both sides. If you don't know why we're taking the square root, that's because that's the only way to simplify the equation. There's a reason for that. We'll talk about that when you look at equations, the radical and root property, and there's reasons in algebra that we'll explain. And then lastly, what if I give you the hypotenuse and one of the sides, but you don't know the third side? It's going to be a squared plus 12 squared is equal to 13 squared. A squared plus 144 is equal to 169. 13 squared is 169. And so make sure you know your squares from 2 squared all the way to 12 squared. And then we go ahead and subtract 144 from both sides. And we get a squared is equal to 25. We take the square root of both sides. A is equal to 5. So that's how we solve this problem using Pythagoras' theorem to find the unknown side, which is 5 here. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care and have a blessed day. Come on in.